Okay, so I'm gonna start by doing the eye makeup first. So I'm just gonna move you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna start off by using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Ivory. And this is basically how it looks. And I just kind of pop some on the back of my hand. And basically what I'm trying to do is kind of trace out that winged effect so that it's easier for us to kind of just pack on the shadow on top of it and like not worry about it going over the line or anything like that. Yeah, so basically just doing a outline of how we want it to look. This is going to be so hard, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so I have like the outline down for this side. Now we're gonna do the same thing to this side, which is gonna be a challenge, but you just gotta do it, okay? Okay, so now that I have like the outline pretty much down, I'm going to now go back in and fill it in and just clean up any areas to make it look a little bit more cleaner. And yeah, and then we'll move on to the eyeshadow portion. Okay, so now that we have the base down, I'm gonna go in with the 10-year anniversary eyeshadow palette by Kat Von D, and I'm just gonna go in with this shade over here, and it is in the shade Kelly. Let me show you guys like a swatch of it. Look how pretty that is. It's a super gorgeous color and just screams New Year's for me for some reason. So I really wanted to do a look incorporating this color. So I'm going to use the JS11. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star collab. And I'm just going to use that brush to basically pack on that shadow all over the base that we have created. And to avoid like any fallout and for the pigment to really show through, you want to kind of pat it on and not kind of like brush it on or anything like that. Just pat on the shadow like so. So I'm just going to go in with a flat-ended brush to really get in there and to really pack on that shadow, because I feel like that brush is really good for just packing it all over the lid, but to really get in there it's just a little bit too big, so I'm just gonna go in with this one. Okay, so now that I have gone ahead and applied the eyeshadow to the base that I created, I'm gonna now apply some glitter. You just can't go wrong with glitter during the New Year's. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna take the NYX glitter glue along with the glitter. Oh my god, look how they just match. This is how you know this is just meant to be, you know? Glitter just makes everything 10 times better. Like you just, if you're feeling down, just add some glitter to your life and get rid of toxic people and you'll be happy. I promise you. I feel like I want to apply the glitter kind of from the inner part of the eye to like maybe like the middle, and I kind of just want to fade it out afterwards. So I'm just going to use the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS14 brush to apply the glitter and the primer. Are you guys ready for this? So I just stopped right in the middle and I'm just going to let that shadow peek through on the ends of the eye. And we're going to do the same thing to the other eye. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the ABH liquid liner, which looks like this. And basically, I want to create that graphic eyeliner effect, but I don't really know how this is going to go down because this is my first time trying a graphic line. So let's just see how this goes. Like, let's just pray that this doesn't go downhill or anything like that, because I really want this to work, you know? So let's just try this out. Okay, so now that we have the graphic liner done, I'm going to move on to applying some lashes. So before I move on to applying some lashes, I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm just going to take the Maybelline Falsies mascara and apply some to lashes. Okay, so for lashes, I'm going to go in with these Diamond Lashes by Lily Lashes. And then for the lash adhesive, I'm going to go in with the Sephora Collection one. I feel like these lashes are the perfect pair to go in with because, like, you want to show off, like, the work you've done, but at the same time you want to look, you know, glam. So I feel like this just completes the look without a doubt. Ooh. I feel like this lash just made the look 10 times better. Love it! Okay, so the lashes are on. Now let's just move on to our face makeup. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Okay. As always, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Honey. I mean, I'm always going to be using this no matter what because it's like the best concealer ever created, in my opinion. So I'm just going to apply this under the eyes. just gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend everything out. Since I don't wear foundation, what I like to do is just like whatever I have on my beauty blender, I just kind of go over like my face. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzing Cream in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to bring some color back into my skin and just chisel out our face. So before my under eyes start to crease, I'm gonna now set my face using the Peach Perfect Too Faced powder. Looks like that. How cute is that? Super cute. So I'm just gonna kind of blend out any creasings under the eye before I go in with the powder because we don't want to look creased. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Tarte blush in the shade Party. And I'm just gonna apply this to my cheeks. I always drag my blush to the tops of my cheekbones. I just feel like it just pulls everything together. Okay, so for the brows, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade number 5 and pretty much just apply this to my brows. So usually I would just kind of leave my brows at that for every day, but this is not any ordinary look. So you have to go above and beyond for your brows. That's just how it goes. So I'm just gonna take my ABH Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony and just kind of fill in a little bit of, you know, sparse areas here and there. Okay, so now that the brows are done, I'm gonna move back into my eyes and finish them off. And I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner and pretty much just apply a little bit to my bottom waterline, just on the outer corner only. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of buff that liner out so it doesn't look so harsh. This just kind of gives your eye that cat eye effect, which everyone wants, right? So just to finish off the eyes, I just went back in with the Maybelline Falsies mascara and just applied some mascara to the bottom lashes. So now I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and just kind of bronze my face up even further. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my face using the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist before I go in with my highlighter. So for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the MAC lip liner in the shade Hover. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the MAC Whirl lipstick and just apply this on top. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going in with the Marc Jacobs lip lacquer in the shade Love Drunk. Yes. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder in the shade Illuminati. And love this highlighter so much. And you will see exactly why I love this highlighter. You guys ready? What was that? Are you guys ready? Holy shiz ball. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh no. Yes, we're all gonna be glowing our way to 2020. Now that's done, I'm gonna go back in with the setting spray and just spray one more time. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as always, and don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a like, and let me know down below what you guys want to see. And don't forget to follow my Instagram right over here. I post pretty frequently there. Yeah, let's just be friends, you know? And just in case I don't post here before the end of this year, I just want to say I hope you guys all have a blessed and amazing new year. And thank you for always supporting me. I truly do appreciate it so much. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a beautiful 2020, and I will see you guys very soon.